the hell's going on here? Okay, that's better. Let's see what's going on out here. What's cracking, YouTube? Welcome back to Myers two-stroke RC Garage. And today, guys, we got the Kraken Vesla on the ground. And today, guys, we are in the backyard. And I got frustrated at my tiller. And I thought, man, I need to rip today. Because I tried to go out and rip, but the wind was so bad today. And now it's finally calmed down. And I'm here in the backyard. And so I'm going to do what I love to do. I'm going to rip this thing. So I'll be right back when I get her fired up. All right, guys, we got it fired up. I think those spikes are about worn out, guys. Let's get her out of cookie mode. Okay. Cookie machine right now. That's all I want to do is burn it. You know, I kind of think I know what might tamp it down a little bit. I could put the Taylor Genesis spikes on it, see how that works. Why don't we try that out, guys? I'll be right back. All right, guys, I went to the garage to look for my super spikes, and it seems like the 24mm hex ones that I had, there's a chunk missing out one, and I forgot to replace the skin, and I don't have enough time to flip all the skins. So we're gonna have to do with the beat up, what are they, Akill super spikes. There's still a lot of knobbies on there. I don't have any traction, guys, so we're gonna do the best of what we got. That's all I can do with it, burn cookies. Myers burning the cookies, look out guys. Try this. Oh. Call there. Look out. I got something going on with my carburetor too. You hear how it keeps cutting out? It sounds like I'm going on and off the throttle, but I'm not. Like right there is pinned the whole time. And now it's just coasting in. Another reason I want the V2, guys, so I can get to those tuning needles. I can't get to the tuning needles with this gas tank. The V1, I'm pretty sure this is the V1 head. I'm not feathering the throttle like that. Ooh. All right, I hit the brakes and it died. I think we're a little bit rich on the low end. This ain't no traction, guys. All right, guys. Woo! Different kind of rip. I liked it. I had fun. I needed to release a little bit of aggression, and it did it. I like it. I love this Vesla. It handles so well, even though it, without any traction, it just wants to spin cookies all the time. But anyways, guys, you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And don't forget, we will see you in the next one.